What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, I wanted to tap in on Friday because you already know Friday sets the standard. And check this out, guys. I want to make sure that what I'm going to talk about today puts you on the right path to finish the week strong and propels us into next week. So do me a favor, please make sure you like, subscribe, help this video get at least 1,000 likes. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Loving on the family like I always do. This one is from Willie Mack. He says, spot on the bear flag. He said, coach, spot on again with your lessons. Tuesday, I bought 2 puts on Apple at 213. It didn't go my way. I held them overnight. This morning, I watched it go up to 215.70. Then it started coming down to fill the gap it created this morning. Once it filled the gap with that big candle. I got on the phone with my sister because we are doing this together. Really quick note, guys, find somebody to go on this journey with. Half a reason why I show up every day for you guys, because I know although this is the greatest vehicle for wealth creation, it is also the loneliest journey you guys will take. Okay, very few people want to talk about money. Very few people want to learn how to trade. Very few people want to learn how to read the chart. And so it can get very lonely. Willie is doing this with his sister. Shout out to Big Sis. He said, and together, my sis, we may see a bear flag forming. I waited till it touched my 9 EMA and bought 2 more puts at 213.70. And there it went from red to green with a 12% profit. Now I'm searching for the bull and bear flags. Thanks, coach. Just had to share that with you, being the last 2 lessons were on flags. Thanks for all you do. God bless. Willie, this made my day, man. I love that you're doing it with your sister. I love that you got an accountability partner alongside me being an accountability partner. You got your sister. So iron sharpens iron. That's first things first. But secondly, he's playing the bear flag in this particular play, but he's looking for the bull flag. That lets me know his eyes is wide open. He's playing both directions. He's coming to the game unbiased, okay? And he's looking to take what the market gives him. If you guys learn to embrace that, manage your risk, use your stop loss, and lock in profits along the way, you'll quickly become a profitable trader. Won't be easy, but you definitely cut down the time it takes to become a profitable trader in this game, okay? Now check this out, guys. Before I dive into what I have for you on today, I want to share this with you. I want you guys to see my dividend plays so that you guys can see why it's important that you are diversified when you are trading, okay? Look at this, guys. Ticker symbol SCHD sitting at $77.87. This one is up today. I want you to see the breadth of the market, okay? I want you to see how many things are up on addition to the stocks I want you to be buying, okay? That's gonna help you get rich, all right? Check this out. Capital Southwest, another dividend play, continues to crush it. Ticker symbol CSWC, sitting at $26.17. This has been a consistent winner for us on the channel, okay? Always have a place to park your money. This one is Main Street. This one is my monthly dividend play. So we have all these layers of income coming in. You got the trading, you got the covered calls, you have the dividend plays, okay? And guys, when you can have these various streams of income coming in passively, nothing more sometimes for just other than holding them, it's a beautiful thing. And then when you build them up, when you get to 100 shares, then you get your first 1,000 shares, and then you just let it do what it do, guys, the game gets a lot easier, okay? Check out this up 1.5% on the day. I love to see this. Look at Verizon, ticker symbol VE, sitting at 41.46. We had this way down at $29. Love to see this sitting at 1.5% as well. People oftentimes look at the market and they base things on if it's up or down. Whether something is up or down simply depends on where you bought it at. If you buy with me, hopefully one thing you have learned is we buy low. We buy at targets. We buy at certain levels. So it doesn't matter if a stock is having a down year, like Tesla. Everybody say Tesla is doing horrible this year. Well, my average cost is 150. Tesla is 200. Tesla is not doing horrible based on where you got it at. None of these stocks, even with options, it don't matter what a stock is doing Where you get it at is all that matters. And if you learn to get your entry right, learn to buy low, those things take care of everything. So these are a few dividend plays that I just want on your radar, letting you guys see, know, and understand when we're making the money, we ain't giving it back to Wall Street. We're finding these type of assets to deploy the capital so that we keep some of it, okay? Please keep that in mind. Now let's go ahead and dive into the stocks you need to buy. Kicking it off with Palantir, guys. Ticker symbol PLTR. Already we up 1%, and we've already tried to hit 25.50. Looking to see us hold this level. This will open the door for us to eventually go to $27. Okay, so on any pullback, maybe 23 or 20, let that be your entry if you haven't been in this already, because we're going to 27. Okay, that's our next stop. All right, and so just understand, Palantir, I don't care when you got it with me at $8, or if you knew and you just got it when we got in on the pullback at $20. You're doing well. You're doing well, okay? I don't want to say job well done to you guys. Just listening to the teachings, running the plays we call in the huddle. Check this one out. Look at this. Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. I told you guys we were headed to 200. Look at where we're sitting at the time of this recording. Sitting at $283. We has been as high as 202, around 10-15 a day. Hit 202 again. That's a double top is forming. So that let me know we got Wall Street sitting at 202. Okay, but these are the plays you want to be in. When I tell you guys how to either double your money, how to get 100% gain, how to turn 20K to 40K, 50K to 100, whatever it is, guys, these are how you do it. It don't take all day, especially when you are playing options and you master your entry. The money is in the charts, okay? The money is truly in the charts, all right? So you don't have to go at this willy-nilly. You can go at it strategically, like I do, and look at where we're sitting. How many of you guys remember the videos when this was not at 200 and I said this was going where? 197. 197 opens the door for 200. We need to close around this level because that's going to open up new levels, which I'll teach you guys over the weekend and on Monday, okay? Stick around for that. Check this one out. Apple. Shout out to the money team. We got this at 207 this week. This play, look at this. This was high as 216 again. I got a feeling 216 is going to be the higher low for this, okay? So if this doesn't hold at 210, you guys got some decisions to make, but nevertheless, those decisions equals buying opportunities that I want you guys to be looking out for. All right, so again, 216. So when they get to 207, 204, know that we can run up to 216. Those are more than 100% gainers right there, okay? Understand that, know that. Check this one out. NVIDIA, ticker symbol NVDA. Look at it. It was at 120. It was at 115. We have climbed our way all the way back up as high as 127. That's where it closed at 10-15 a day. It pulled back momentarily, but look for a run up to finish out the day, getting back to 127, and then that opens the door to make its way back to 128. This stock is going to 132. Guys, so understand where these plays are headed. This is called a pullback right here. You see when it go up like this to 27 and then now it's 25, that's the pullback. Okay, that's what you wait for. You wait for the pullback is your entry. Everybody write this down. The pullback is your entry. That's where you get in at, and that's how you make the big bucks. So if I'm telling you it's going to 127, then it's going to go to 128, and then next week after the holidays is over, we'll go to 132, okay? If you got in at 120 or 122 or 115, you're making a killing en route to those levels. Does that make sense? Welcome the pullback. Don't buy it at 128. Don't buy it at the levels we're going to. You wait for it to come down. You let them talk crazy on Wall Street, on CNBC. Let them come in with all the fear mongering and all this kind of stuff. Let that be your cue to get in, okay? Then look at this. Amazon. This one, the people taking profits today, but this one has done phenomenal. Yesterday, We touched $200. This is another $1 trillion company now, joining the likes of Microsoft and the other big dogs of the game. Keep your eye on this one. This is a profit taking. This is profit taking. So people like, hey, Coach, where would I get in it if I want to get on Amazon? You can start DCing here, understanding it's going to go back to this level right here. Whenever you see a level, guys, that's all you need to know. That's where it's coming back to. Let it do its thing. Let it run its course. Let it go down. Matter of fact, if it can get lower than 196, if you can see 194, it's still going to, what's this price right here? 199.34. It's still going to go back there. These numbers are not coincidences, guys. So learn your charts, okay? Learn your charts so that you can see, okay, this is where we're going. But before we get way back up here, this is the level it's really going to come to, 198.40. That opens the door for this one right here, 199.34. So look for 198 from here. But what did I tell you? A $3 to $5 moves will double your money when you get your delta right and when you get your entry right, okay? These are 100% play. Guys, when you rock with me, this is how we dominate the 100K challenge, guys. It don't take all that. When you learn this at the elite level, you will be like, oh my God, I just need to be patient. I just need to sharpen my tool just a little bit and just listen to coach. And I'm a double my money. I don't care if your money is $100 to $200, $1,000 to $2,000. The game is the same. That's what we love about this. It don't matter. The percents are the percents, okay? And so just understand that, guys. Look at this, 195. That's exactly what I wanted to see. And then the SPY sitting up here at 547. This is good to see as well, sitting above this level, but it hit 550 today. I told you in Discord, look out for this level. It obviously got rejected, so that let me know Wall Street was waiting there. So remember, you're going to get 3 tests. So let it see how far it come down. And this is one area it's going to come down to, 547.12. So I was just going to call that 547 even, or I'm going to look for 546.80. Guess what? To go back to 550, it got to test it 3 times. It's gonna knock on the door 3 times, okay? Know these little nuggets, guys, it'll change your life. And guess what? If we lose this level and don't ever recapture 447 and 550, we're going to 537. Always have a strategic game plan. If this, then that. Know where your stocks are going, okay? Where does that information come from, coach? Is in the charts. Go through all your time frames. It's one big puzzle piece. And when you guys learn that you're playing high level chess, you'll learn to decode the market and understand what Wall Street is trying to do, okay? Listen, guys, don't overcomplicate this game. Great job this week. If you made money, let me know down in the comments below. But if you're ready to make money next week, make sure you guys join the money team. Link for that is down in the description below, or just simply get in the Discord. We're going to take care of you one way or the other, okay? The link for that, too, is down in the description below. Listen, guys, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stocks using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.